Double Slit Experiment Equation. You may have been aware that when scientists throw electrons at a barrier with two slits, the electrons go through one slit or the other, and then eventually striking the back wall. After many electrons have been thrown, a series of light and dark fringes begins to appear. And when the scientists plot the intensities of the light and dark fringes on a graph, their plot appears similar to this. You can obtain your own plot without conducting the double slit experiment. All you need is just a mathematical equation to model the double slit experiment results. By having an equation, you will not have to dig into your savings to fly yourself to the secret lab where the scientists perform the double slit experiment. Where upon arrival, you will have to badge in through a secured entrance into the lab. Having this equation will enable you to simply predict the double slit experiment results from the comfort of your own home. Having an equation that can crunch out the double slit experiment plot for you is like having this piece of machinery build you anything you want. What would you want built? Like a mathematical equation, simply provide this machinery with this slab of stone. And this machinery can build you your dream castle. Had something else in mind? Perhaps this machinery can be fed this piece of log. And this machinery can build you your very own paddle boat. You can now venture the 7 seas. Mathematically though, what this calculating machinery can do for you is crank away at numbers to build you more numbers. This certainly does not sound exciting. Let's take this calculating machinery into the quantum realm and see what interesting things it will crank away at. This is a quantum mechanical calculating machine. Oh, right, you can't see the quantum realm because it is too small. Let's help with that. This quantum mechanical calculating machine can build this graphical model of the double slit experiment. All that is needed is just these 3 double slit experiment parameters in red. The distance between the barrier with the 2 slits and the back wall. The distance between the left slit and the right slit. And the wavelength of this electron. So, what is making the gears in this quantum mechanical calculating machine rotate? This mathematical equation. This is the double slit experiment equation that will save you the trip to the secret lab. Now you have it. The 3 double slit experiment parameters from earlier can be seen in this equation in red. Feed this equation into a graphing calculator and you will get this graphical model of the double slit experiment results. A special graphing calculator is not necessary for you to plot this double slit experiment equation. If you are watching this video using your Windows personal computer, then you already have a graphing calculator. Open the calculator app. Change functionality to graphing. Insert these 3 parameters into the double slit experiment equation. These are the parameters used in the double slit experiment performed by a team of scientists in 2012. Enter the double slit experiment equation here using this keypad. Once plotted, it becomes clear that this double slit experiment equation closely modeled the plot that the scientists obtained from their double slit experiment in 2012. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and look forward to seeing you in the next video.